Fecafoot?
Yes, it's working there.
Est-ce que tu travailles à la Fecafoot?
I say yes.
Non. Est-ce que tu as un contrat avec l'État du Cameroun?
I
non,
think so.
Bernard Djoutang.
But why is he talking like this if you don't have a contract?
Hein? Seigneur. C'est-à-dire que ça va toi qui parle. Je vais t'expliquer que je vais Bernard Djoutang.
Explain.
Les populations.
Ce programme vous est offert par les délices de ma peau.
Garoua est praticable. Garoua est prêt. On va
Garoua.
Je peux dire à mes frères camerounais.
Ok.
On n'a pas de choix. On a un seul. Ou on joue à Garoua, on joue au du Cameroun.
Ok.
Ça, il faut que l'ONIES y comprenne ça.
L'ONIES, c'est qui?
Il faut que l'ONIES y comprenne.
L'ONIES là habite où?
Si demain, Garoua, on ne peut pas jouer à Garoua. Sachez qu'on va jouer à l'étranger.
Comme ça, hein.
Vous accusez la fédération camerounaise.
Ça c'est Garoua, ça c'est à l'étranger, d'accord?
Il faudra demander le compte à l'ONIES. Demander le compte au ministre des Sports.
Ok.
Au ministère des Sports. Pourquoi est-ce qu'on n'a pas joué au Cameroun? Parce que c'est eux qui sont venus créer la ZANI.
Ah.
Ils sont venus créer la ZANI.
Qui?
Ils l'ont fait à Japoma. Ils ont fait l'espace à Japoma.
Ok.
Alors que le match était programmé à Japoma.
D'accord.
Ils veulent faire la même chose à Garoua. La chance que nous avons, c'est que les populations du Grand Nord, les populations de Garoua, ils veillent.
Et c'est ça.
Ils ont mis des équipes.
Ils n'ont que ça à faire.
Ils contrôlent presque tous les jours. Ils sont en train de contrôler le stade.
Ok.
Ils ne veulent pas qu'on fasse n'importe quoi chez eux. J'espère qu'ils arriveront. Population.
Ok.
J'espère qu'ils arriveront à contrôler le stade. Ils n'ont que ça à faire. Ne pas permettre
question aussi.
Ces individus qui sont en train de saboter le stade parce que pour eux, il faut seulement jouer à Yaoundé. Alors qu'on ne peut même plus jouer à Yaoundé. Yaoundé n'est plus dans votre liste. Yaoundé n'est plus dans les 4 équipes du Cameroun qui ont été retirées. Aujourd'hui, il n'y a que 2 équipes. Si vous n'avez pas compris, ça ne peut rien faire. Il faudrait que vous compreniez qu'on n'est pas au Cameroun avec nos histoires des Camerounais. On s'arrange entre nous.
Bam.
C'est pas bien, mais on fait quand même.
Bam.
Quand la CAF vous a dit, ce stade, on ne peut pas jouer. Montez, vous descendez, vous n'avez pas joué dessus.
C'est ça.
Fandena, Japoma, ils sont plus sur la liste.
C'est à Garoua.
Maintenant, on doit faire avec Garoua. Et doit aller à la réunification. Et maintenant, vous n'avez pas d'autre choix. Si vous ne voulez pas jouer au Cameroun,
They don't have choice.
on va faire le match à l'étranger.
Ouh.
La fédération a la possibilité de demander le match en Guinée, au Congo.
Bernard Djoutang aussi, oh. Tu te donnes un genre.
La fédération peut demander si vous ne voulez pas qu'on joue au Cameroun.
Ok.
Seigneur Dieu Tout-Puissant.
Jesus Christ on the bicycle. Djoutang.
Je vous dis que quand la dernière fois que j'ai vu Bernard Djoutang à Paris, je ne savais pas que c'est lui. C'est lui qui allait nous expliquer les histoires de la Fecafoot au
He is
Cameroun.
working at Fecafoot, papa.
Mais là, vous sentez la
Bernard Djoutang is working at Fecafoot in Tinga.
Perfusé par la puissance de son patron.
It's not a Tinga. No. It's working
En
there.
quoi, toi, Bernard Djoutang, tu peux imposer le Cameroun? Tu travailles à la Fecafoot?
Yes, it's working there.
Est-ce que tu travailles à la
I
Fecafoot?
say yes.
Non. Est-ce que tu as un contrat avec l'État du Cameroun?
I
non,
think so.
Bernard Djoutang.
But why is he talking like this if you don't have a contract? Hein?
Seigneur. C'est-à-dire que ça va toi qui parle. Je vais t'expliquer que je vais Bernard
Explain.
Djoutang. Les populations du Nord.
Population of North.
Ils n'ont pas.
Garoua
Le
Maroua.
plus grand problème, ce n'est pas de savoir si on va jouer le match à Garoua.
Their problem is
Non,
not
tu te
football.
trompes. Non, ils ont encore 2 jours pour s'inscrire sur les listes électorales.
Exact.
Ça, pour eux, c'est très important.
Talk.
Les populations du Grand Nord.
Population of North.
Maroua.
They are focused. They are not there to check if they will play at the Gaoundé or Garoua. These are your thoughts. Population of North, they are fighting to write their name on the list. They don't care. What does the football bring to those populations? Can you answer me, Bernard Djoutang? They are not there to check who is going to play, who is not going to. That's your thing. Papa, talk. They don't have time for that, I'm sorry. Until you are talking the way you are talking to people as if you are talking to your children. Be careful. This is what you people are using to distract people. We are not, we are concentrated, we are focused. Yes. So if you were counting on these people or not to distract people, that time is past, Papa. We are concentrated. You are the one that, you are the funny people now. We look at you fighting. when you have time, when you finish writing our name on the list, then we check what's going on there. Then we just check and laugh. Because you people are funny. Yes. How am I even shouting like this now, Papa? Because you guys are funny. Are you eating, Papa? Yes. Imagine Bernard Chutang. I am sorry, we don't care. We don't have a shit, man. Go and play where you want. Go even to Bamenda and play there. Who will care? Papa, ask me. It's silly question. I ask you something. Answer, Bernard Chutang. We are talking as if playing at Garo will bring something new in Cameroon. I'm sorry, we don't have time for that bullshit, man. Now the same thing. Même tabac, we don't care. Now we are focused on the list. It's the first challenge. I'm sorry. You are talking as if this thing will bring something new for Cameroonians. You can even go to and play to Bamenda, we don't care. Yes, because they are funny. We are focused. We are not wasting time. 2025. We are focused. We are preparing the next year now. We are talking about football. What does that football bring to the population? Do you have water because you are playing football or you are watching football? Don't make I cut my tongue here. Yes. I always say that when the sardines are fighting, go away. If not, you will be stinking this oil. Let me explain you something. You know exactly what you are doing. On the 10th of February, in the Numungi speech, he did a speech and he showed to everybody that Fecafoot does not decide on anything. In his speech, the Numungi show us that the Fecafoot does not decide to anything. So all this bullshit you are talking now, you know exactly what you are doing. I don't like that. I don't like that. Vide. And you're gonna zero. You don't even ask yourself why Marc Brice is still there, or you don't want to think. You don't even want to think. Ask yourself why Marc Brice is still there.
Un élément clair pour vous démontrer que si vous étiez à Fecafoot était peu qu'une coquille vide, vous l'aurez viré, non?
Exactly.
Non, une fédération, non.
Papa, they are just pretending. They know. They know. Yeah. You know what? You just want people to do. I don't understand. Yeah, what? What's that? They know exactly that the Numungi, the heart of Numungi is on Fecafoot, and that's what they want to use to distract people. But the thing is that we are focused, we are wise. We are not. Yes. On the 10th of February, Papa said in his speech that Fecafoot does not decide on anything in Cameroon. That's when the Papa Moustachu decided to bring the Marc Brice. Until that day, Marc Brice is there. Even if he insult people, will be there because nobody will shake him from there. You see? Now you come and talk as if you don't know. You know exactly what you're doing. I don't like that spirit. The spirit of the concentration, I don't like it. The natural time. You are a cool man. I love you. But sometimes you behave as if you polo. I don't like that. You come and, when I say us, what are you counting on? Who do you think you are? You play the same thing with the same team with this Papa Fecafoot. He was your goalkeeper. I don't understand. Look at the way you are. Look at the way you are, Bernard. Today you are talking as a chinda. Eh? You know exactly that Papa said on the 10th of February that the Fecafoot does not decide on anything. You know that you are a coquille vide. You know it. You get what I mean? Don't worry. It's not a matter of us or are you people. It's a Lumungi. And you know it. Yes. Yes. You know. We know. Stop pretending. I beg, grab for it. Go there. Go out. Go and talk to your stupid thing at the Fecafoot that thing there. You will play Agawa. Even if you don't play Agawa, you play out. That was the first podcast of the day, my children. It was Papa.